Welcome to Skyline 2050. Thanks to our initiatives around the world and everyone's commitment, we have now achieved carbon neutrality. And we owe it all to our pioneers. Back in 2020 at Saint-Gobain Research Compiègne, Kayan, R&D Group Manager, commits to working on the group's carbon neutrality goals as part of the management's New Year's resolutions. A fervent climate defender, he sets out to first decarbonize the research center and then to consider the bigger picture of future Saint-Gobain products and processes. How?
En faisant ensemble une fresque du climat.
That's the answer. Using a cooperative board game to create a brainstorming workshop. 42 cards represent human activities and their impact on climate. Players must place their cards and show the cause and effect links between them. It's the perfect way to raise awareness about climate issues. Then there's a brainstorming session. Kayan and his team create a roadmap for limiting the carbon footprint of our activities. And it works.
On a reçu 200 idées rien que pour le centre R&D, notamment le covoiturage ou les gestes éconumériques. Et ça, c'est sans parler des idées qu'on a reçues pour de nouveaux produits ou de nouveaux process via une approche éco-innovante.
Very quickly, Kayan trains 40 colleagues to lead other workshops around the world, in Europe, India, China. Now you know everything about the famous climate workshops.
C'est vraiment génial de voir tous les collaborateurs aussi impliqués et créatifs.
Check back soon to Skyline 2050 to see other pioneers.